I'll show you how to replace your headphone jack on your LG G5. So all you have to do is just pull out battery first. You'll have to click right here and then pull it out. And then you'll need to pull out SIM tray, make sure it's out because your screen is not going to come out if it's there. And then next step, you'll have to pull out the screws. Make sure you unscrew them. And then pull it out. The screws get stuck sometimes when you take them off. Whoops, this one flew away. Okay, and then you'll need to remove the screen. You can do it from the sides. You can just lift it up on this side, barely, and then just try to go under. You can use something sharp as long as you can get right here. It's on clips. Try not to scratch your phone. I don't care about this phone. But take time so you don't crack the screen. Because this one is already broken, so it's a little bit harder to pull it out. There you go. It just came out. Here it is. Here's the headphone jack. Here it is. All you have to do is just pull this thing out. As you can see right here. Pull old one out. As you can see, it just came out. I don't know if you're gonna care about your old one because it probably doesn't work. So you just replace for a new one. You get the new one. You just stick it in front first. Just stick it back in this way, and then just glue it back in where it's supposed to be, and then just install the screen. The front has to be first. Goes in, and then just press on sides. As you can see, it's pretty easy. And then put the screws back in, and then your battery and your SIM tray. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.